Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of outline on Messenger app. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of outline on Messenger app, you click on settings. In this first page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you can click on this sign and you can search about the application of Messenger. So you can try again to find this page and to search about Messenger app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't